Once upon a time, there was a king. His name is Mithudi. Her queen's name was Pihu. Both were lived happily. Once when they were both drinking tea, sudden a monster come here. Then monster says,
Ha ha ha! My name is Greenie. I like your queen and I will take her.
Then the monster picks up the queen and locks her in his cave. The queen becomes very sad. The king Mitthu gets angry. He wants to save the queen. He went out to find the queen. He sees his friend on the way. The king asks him,
"Do you know where the monster Greenie lives?"
His friend replied, "Yes, I know. He lives in the cave above the mountains."
तूफान हमें क्या रोकेंगे अगर तूफान आता तो हम तूफान को ठोकेंगे हा 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 हा
तुम्हें मुझसे कोई नहीं बचा पाएगा।
मैं कहता हूँ हमें यहाँ से चलना चाहिए, शायद इस तूफान को आप भी नहीं रोक पाओगे।
The king reaches the cave. He sees his queen. There he goes to take the queen. Suddenly monster comes there. King decided to fight with monster. Then both of them fight. The king wins and kills the monster. Then the king rescues the queen. The queen becomes very happy. Then both of them go back to their palace. Then both of them live happily and they drink tea.